This is one of those recipes that brings everyone into the kitchen.
We're making gingerbread cookies.
Is your bunny helping you bake today?
Yeah.
We start by melting butter and stirring it together with brown sugar and our warm spices, cinnamon, ginger, and just a touch of allspice. We're then going to take this mixture and we're going to add our molasses to this as well and give that a mix. This mixture then gets transferred into a bowl where we can add our egg and then also add all of our dry ingredients to the bowl as well. And we'll just mix this until everything comes together. Once mixed, we'll divide it into 2 balls and refrigerate for a couple hours to let it harden. Now that the dough is made, let's make our royal icing. So this recipe is really simple. It's just water, corn syrup, and powdered sugar. It all comes together pretty quickly once you stir it a little bit. Now it's time to make our cookies. So we're going to roll out these sheets of cookie dough into about 1/8 of an inch thick sheets, and we're going to cut out our shapes with our gingerbread cutter. These are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 8 minutes. I ended up baking these in batches, as you can see. I took a piece of parchment paper and put down some powdered sugar and just put these down there for them to cool. If you enjoy real, from-scratch cooking and approachable recipes you can actually make at home, I'd love for you to subscribe. I post new videos every week, and my goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if this video has helped or inspired you, hit subscribe and come gather at our table.
What if you put so much sprinkles on it that it is a sprinkle cookie? It's all sprinkled up.
Sprinkled up.
You like it?
I like it.
You're gonna get to eat it.